Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another quick tip in our Don't Say, but Say series. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the other videos in this playlist to level up your English speaking game. Now let's dive in. So today's phrase is very good. We hear it all the time, but using it in every situation can make your English sound repetitive or even a little dull. Let's give your vocabulary a boost. Instead of saying very good, try these. That's excellent.
Oh, well, that's excellent. Excellent.
That's excellent, but
Excellent.
It's fantastic.
It's fantastic.
Or that's impressive.
That's impressive.
Or you can get more specific. That's brilliant. For something smart.
Brilliant. That's so brilliant.
Or that's outstanding. For something that's truly amazing.
That was outstanding.
These words don't just sound more natural, they also make you sound more expressive and confident. Plus, native speakers rarely say very good, so why should you? Start using words like fantastic, brilliant, and impressive, and I guarantee you'll stand out in any conversation. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the rest of the videos in this series. See you in the next one.